Working on the Bronco over here, getting ready to paint underneath the hood and the engine bay, get everything straightened out with that. Let me we have got to replace the hood hinges. At one time the hood has come up and bent the hood hinges. And can someone explain to me why they would weld these in instead of bolt them in? I mean, you know, I'm just thinking maybe at some point in the career of a Ranger or a Bronco, you would need to replace them. But anyway, you can see kind of where we're at. Getting a little bit closer, got everything out, getting ready to sand all this down and make her look good. But I have no idea why they would weld them in. But hey, ain't just nothing but a thing. Ain't nothing but a thing. I remember when the good times was four-wheeling in the back with my daddy's Ford, sipping on my grandpa's whiskey on the backyard porch, sitting in the woods on an old pine stump, waiting for the season's first deer to jump. Winter roll around and we pray for the springtime sun. Now it all seemed to happen such a long time ago. The ones that I love the most are gone. I wonder if I'm ever gonna see him again. Heaven's for a different man. When I say grace, when I open up a bottle of beer, I love to sing those. Well, as you can see, we got them. The one on the left is a lot easier to get to because you have a brake booster there. The one on the right, see, wait a minute, that's backwards. The one on the right was easy to get to, and the one on the left, what is that? It's a Johnny Cash song. The one on the right was in the middle, and the one in the middle was up. Well, anyway. But we finally got them off. You can actually see they put two bolt holes here, but I guess it's cheaper just to spot weld them on. So we drilled them out. These should be here in a day or two, and I think I'm gonna bolt them back on. But that's that.